Magandang hapon po ng December 27, 2025 Saturday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 27, 2025 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, December 27, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 27, 2025, Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, December 27, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 27, 2025, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.